Hey y'all, what's up? So I got a request to do Lisa Frank nails. I'm a 90s baby, so I had all Lisa Frank supplies for school, okay? So let's get to it. This is my first time doing a nail design like this. I've never done a cheetah before, so you seeing the real deal, okay? I did a second layer over the cheeks to give it more of a structure in the cheekbones so I can see more of how the cheetah would look, if that makes sense. Then I started the color with the nose. I don't know why, I just felt like the nose would be my starting point. Then I started to add different colors to bring out the cheetah. I feel like you should always start off with your main colors first before you start drawing detail. Now, as you can see, I'm not perfect. This is my first time doing this. So I'm just sharing that anyone can do this design. Nail art is only hard if you overthink. When you don't have the patience. Sometimes it's just better to watch than to do, and that's okay. But the more you watch, the more you're gonna wanna do it. I promise you that. So here we are at the finishing. I'm just adding a little color to the cheekbones and blending the colors in. And there's the cheetah. So what y'all think? How'd I do? Did I ace this or no? Until next time, y'all. Bye.